create a Facebook page, business page. Okay, on Facebook, there are two ways to create. One is a profile page and one is a business page. A profile page, the difference between a profile page and a business page, if you look at a profile, okay, if you know the profile, so first of all, you need to log into your Facebook, okay. Okay, if you see the word profile here, that means it's a profile page. Okay, it's a personal one. But if you go and see Lorna, it's a bit laggy, and the internet is a bit laggy. Okay. If you see the word like here, all right, you see like here, it means it's a business page. Okay, whenever you see the word like here, means it's a business page. Okay, if you see the word friend here, this is a profile. In a profile, okay, you are not allowed to use a business name. Okay, you cannot use your store name like that. It has to be a personal name. Okay, so now you know the difference between a profile and a business page. Now, in order for you to create your store business page, log into your Facebook profile. All right, so let me log in into my profile. Okay, now you see on the right here, you see the little plus sign. Okay, click the plus sign and you click page. You see the word page here? Click page. Okay, this is how it's going to look like when you create your business page. Page name is your store name. Okay, so let's say your store name is so here stall. Okay, now category, you click, yours is a food. So the option is food and beverage, food stand. You select what is the one that suits you the best. Okay, so let's say for me, I'm going to say food. Okay, food service distributor. Okay, I'll select that. Okay, you are actually allowed to select three options. So for here, I'm just going to do two. All right. Okay, you can up to 3. Description, describe about your stall. Okay, selling biryani at let's say Crescent stall number 900. Okay, opening hours, daily 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Close every Sunday. Okay, we serve. Okay, right, let me see. Every you can buy. You can dine in, take away, and delivery. Okay, to contact us, phone then number. Okay, x. Okay, once you do that, you do it at create page. Once you do a create page, okay, I'll go to page. Okay. Save. So this is how it looks like. All right. No Suay stall, food service distributor. All right, there. Selling from my page. Okay, I'm giving you a description. Okay. Then what you do is you fill up all this information here. Okay. All right. Selling biryani. Okay, enter location. You click here. All right, you click here. You fill up. Okay. All right, your address. Then Facebook will populate for you. Okay. Next, you enter if you have a website. You click on website number, your address. If you have a phone number, enter your phone number here. You have an email. You put an email here. Send message so that customer can contact you. All right, they can send you a message through Facebook. Enter business hours, you fill up. Okay, if you decide not to change it, you decide to change the food service or food beverage category, you can click here and edit. Okay, edit. Then what you need to do is start putting up photo. Okay, now you change your timeline photo here. All right, to showcase your stall. It can be a photo of food, a photo of your stall, okay, of your team, up to you. What you do is you click here, choose from photo or from video. Okay, you can choose it, or you can upload. All right, or you can even create a slideshow if you've done that. Okay, now if you want the customer to contact you, you click add button here. In this add button, Facebook allow you to customer to book online if you have an online service, to call you. So when customer click here, Facebook will connect straight to the phone number that you install. Okay, or they can contact you. All right, through Facebook Messenger. Okay, send message through Messenger, Facebook Messenger. Contact us means they can send. If you have a website, click here. It will contact. It will link straight to your website from Facebook. Send message means it's a private message. Okay, if you want them to send a message to WhatsApp, you click here and set up your WhatsApp. If you have an email address, you want them to contact you through email, click here and give them the email address. The rest are not really much important. Okay, now shop now. In case you have an online system, your own online system website that accept online, you can click shop now and link it to your website. If you don't, then just leave it as it is. All right, okay, that's basically the whole step to setting up a business page. And then another thing, you see the word create a username here, you click that. Okay, you click the username. You see at this point, you see when I created, it's under, the name is very funny. There's a lot of numbers. Customer cannot remember my my numbers, you also find it difficult to tell customer, oh, my store name is Noor Suhail 01003. Is very hard. So you click, remember just now I showed you, you click here, create a username here, you click this, all right, you change it into your store name with no space in between. Do not put dot, full stop in between. That means change to Noor Stall. So can you see here? Now it's Noor Stall like that. Okay. No, now I want to change to Noor Food Stall. I decided to change Noor Suhail Food Stall. See this? I want to change to this. So now what I do is I create username. Okay. Okay, done. Then I refresh. Okay, since I changed the Noor Suhail Food Stall, you see I changed this Noor Suhail Food Stall. Okay, you see, same thing there, Noor Suhail Food Stall. Instead of just now you saw a series of numbers, now it become my stall name. Okay, so that's the way how you create a Facebook business page. Then start filling up content here. All right, start inviting people into the business page. Okay, this is the basic steps to setting up a business page. Over time, I will show you how you can monetize the business page, share you more on what you can do to get more people to come into your business Facebook business page, and you can start engaging with them. Okay, so if you have any question, all right, do not hesitate to contact us. Now, before I go off, I just want to share something with you. If you have problem creating image creatives like banners and posters, you know, that kind of thing, there is a free software. Okay, I will share you with the link on Canva so they can sign up for free to create banners and posters, everything totally for free. Okay, you can see all this very nicely done, and it's all done for free. Once you finish, you can download it onto your business page. Okay, so till the next training, bye bye, take care.